And the Rap has it coming, draws for your lead. Kaligatan moving up in between runners. Tiger Afi, then comes Royal Academy. Friendly Venture moving up on the outside. Awesome Ashley comes next. Then moving up in between runners is Reporter by the rail. Is entry number 5. And that's Dr. Choice as they race to the last 450. Kaligatan by about 2 lengths. Has 8 coming now, running in second, racing in third, Tiger Afi, Awesome Ashley, Dr. Choice, Andorra, Royal Academy, sorry, outside, Friendly Venture, with 150 more to run, has 8 coming, Kaligatan is sorry, outside, Tiger Afi, joining them with the last 50 meters, it's going to be Tiger Afi, Kaligatan has 8 coming. Then comes Dr. Choice and Andorra for your Pentapecta.